hard, go hard. He not hard.
Go hard or go home, nigga.
Go home, nigga.
Yeah.
80s baby.
Home, nigga. Yeah, your boy so hard. Not a CEO, but I lock down the bars. I'm so high I can knock off a star. You a citizen, never needed a green card, but I might need a passport, cause I'm so fly. Y'all niggas asked for it, now you're gon' die. I can slide through your spot like a chick in the club with no ID. You a thug now, get the IV. Back in the days we used to give high fives, now we get high five. Pivotin 5-5, yeah. Guapin 10 I got, yeah, I'm trying to get top of 10 on the block. From a good chick, not from a smut chick. I don't give a fuck, yeah, if she suck dick. I won't give her chips, I just hit her quick. And then I pass it to my niggas in my niggas' head. Cause y'all be cuffing me, I'm never loving them. Treat them like a turkey, then I bake them, then I'm done with them. It's a rap. Yeah, I stay strapped. I'm always on the block in the streets like, what up? Your girl got her tongue pierced, cheek pierced, lips pierced, but you need to go wax her fucking chin hairs. Too hairy, she too scary. And nah, she don't even remind me of Halle Berry. Nah, more like Goldberg. Y'all bitches kill me trying to fit into a 4. You wear 8, I know your toes hurt. That's hilarious. Matter of fact, ridiculous. She wanna give me brain, but she acting like a hypocrite. Hennessy, Differy, back shots when I'm dicking it. While y'all tricking it, me, I'm just getting it. Loving it like Mickey D's, my way like Burger King. Fiends ride through the drive-through where we serve a game. Take my Dewey off, it'll turn into a hurricane. I keep my sunnies on that night when I'm blowing heads. That's right, I keep freaks in my sheet. Y'all like getting locked up and like beating your meat. They ain't tough, they ain't hard. Type to get pissed in the sand when chumped in the yard. Yeah, a quiet nigga, I play my position. You yap your gums, my guns I aim at niggas. No toothpaste. Nigga, if you two-faced, the joke's on you, it's gonna be a dark night. You versus me is like a sheep in a shark fight. You never had a bird, but I'll show you what the hawk like. So don't play me, cause it's the 80s, baby. I represent all the real hustlers from the 80s. Fat gold rope chains to the feline sweatsuits. And you know I'm in the fresh hoop. You're not hard. No, 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 you're not hard. You're not hard, nigga. You're not hard. No, 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 you're not hard. You're not hard. You're not hard. You're not hard. No, 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 you're not hard. You're not hard, nigga.
It's the 80s, baby.
80s, baby. Episode
2010 on the streets. It's that nigga that'll come through, give you that heat. I don't care what you say about me. I don't give a fuck any beat. I'm a freak. And I might skid up with your freak. And I might have on the sheets. She might be on the streets. Moving my pack cause she hustle for me.
Hey. 2010. I'm coming. I'm here now. The 80s baby.
CJ. Episode 8 Records, man.
Yonkers. I'm a fall. Oh yeah, I'm a local sale nigga.
Flyers.
We stay flea all day.
All day.
80s baby. Episode 8. Yeah. 2010. 010. Yeah.